Imagine a small koala. It clings tightly to a eucalyptus tree. This tree is its home, its food, its world. Suddenly the air grows hot and hazy. A terrifying orange glow appears in the distance. Flames begin to lick at the forest floor. The scent of smoke is sharp and choking. The koala knows it must flee, but where? Its familiar paths are now pathways of fire. The life it knew is vanishing in the heat. In another part of our world, a troop of monkeys chatters. They leap through the dense green canopy. Their forest has stood for centuries, a vibrant home. Then a new sound arrives, a harsh metallic roar. Great yellow machines appear, tearing at the trees. These are bulldozers, clearing land for human use. The monkeys watch in confusion and fear. Their ancient trees fall one by one. Their green sanctuary shrinks with every passing hour. They are losing their world to the relentless machines. For these creatures and so many others, disaster strikes quickly. There is no warning, no time to prepare. One moment, life is proceeding as it always has. The next, their homes are filled with danger. Fire consumes everything in its path with incredible speed. Bulldozers grind relentlessly, changing the land forever. The animals are caught in a storm of destruction. It is a terrifying experience beyond their understanding. They only know that safety has disappeared. Their instinct is to escape, to find refuge. The immediate aftermath is a scene of chaos. Animals scatter in all directions, desperate. They run from the heat, the noise, the danger. Many are injured, burned, or lost. Young ones become separated from their mothers. Familiar landmarks are gone, turned to ash or rubble. They venture into unfamiliar territories. These new places may hold unknown threats. The search for safety is urgent and fraught with peril. Their lives have been irrevocably altered in moments. What is a home for an animal? We call it a habitat. It is so much more than just a place to exist. A habitat is a complex system, perfectly suited. It provides everything an animal needs to survive. It is where life unfolds, from birth to old age. Think of it as an animal's life support system. Without it, the animal cannot truly live. It is a unique and precious part of nature. Each creature is deeply connected to its habitat. This connection has been shaped over millennia. A habitat offers the essentials for life. Food is found there, specific to each creature's diet. Clean water to drink must be available. Shelter is crucial, a place to rest and hide. It provides protection from harsh weather. It offers safety from those that might hunt them. For many species, it is also where they find mates, and it is where they raise their vulnerable young. Every element is vital for their continued existence. A habitat is a promise of sustenance and safety. Each animal is uniquely adapted to its specific habitat. A fish cannot survive on land, nor a desert tortoise in the Arctic. The polar bear has thick fur for the biting cold. Its white coat helps it blend with the snow and ice. A hummingbird has a long beak, perfect for sipping nectar. It seeks out flowers that bloom in its forest home. These adaptations are the result of long evolution. They tie the animal inextricably to its environment. Move them elsewhere, and they may struggle to survive. Their specialization is both a strength and a vulnerability. When fires rage, they incinerate this delicate balance. The flames destroy food sources in an instant. Trees that provided shelter become charred skeletons. Water sources can become polluted with ash. The very air becomes unbreathable for many. Bulldozers are equally devastating in their own way. They flatten forests, fill in wetlands, and scrape landscapes bare. The complex structure of the habitat is obliterated. The intricate web of life is torn apart. What was once a thriving community becomes a barren wasteland. When their homes are destroyed, animals must move. They embark on a desperate search for a new place. This journey is filled with uncertainty and danger. They are forced into unfamiliar surroundings. The familiar scents and sounds are gone. New predators may lurk unknown to them. Food sources might be different or scarce. They are refugees in their own land. This displacement is a profound shock to their systems. Many will not survive this difficult transition. In these new areas, they often face competition. Other animals already live there, established and territorial. Resources like food and water may already be limited. The newcomers must compete for these vital necessities. This can lead to conflict and stress. Weaker or disoriented individuals suffer the most. They may be driven away or unable to secure what they need. The struggle for survival becomes even more intense. It is a harsh reality for these displaced creatures. Their chances of finding a new safe home diminish. The dangers faced by displaced animals are numerous. Starvation is a constant threat if food is scarce. Dehydration can occur if water sources are not found. Exposure to harsh weather without adequate shelter is perilous. they are also more vulnerable to predators in new territories. Human-dominated landscapes present further hazards. Roads become deadly barriers to cross. They may wander into farmlands or urban areas. This can lead to conflict with people or domestic animals. Their world has become a maze of lethal obstacles. This continuous loss of habitat pushes species towards a precipice. It is a primary driver of extinction. When animals cannot find suitable homes, they cannot reproduce successfully. Their populations begin to shrink slowly at first. Fewer individuals mean less genetic diversity. This makes the species more vulnerable to disease. Consider the magnificent orangutan of Borneo and Sumatra. Its rainforest home is cleared for palm oil plantations. As the forests disappear, so do the orangutans. Each lost habitat is a step closer to losing a species forever. Why should we care about animals losing their homes? It matters because every living creature has intrinsic value. Their existence enriches our planet immeasurably. We are all part of a vast, interconnected web of life. The loss of one species can have ripple effects. It can impact other animals, plants, and even ecosystems. Healthy ecosystems provide us with clean air and water. They pollinate our crops and regulate our climate. Caring for animals and their homes is caring for ourselves. It is about preserving the beauty and balance of nature. There are many ways that we, as individuals, can help. We can support organizations working to protect wildlife. These groups conserve habitats and rescue animals. We can make conscious choices in our daily lives. Reducing our consumption helps lessen the demand for resources. Choosing sustainably sourced products makes a difference. Recycling and reducing waste protects natural spaces. We can educate ourselves and others about these issues. Awareness is the first step towards meaningful action. Every small effort contributes to a larger solution. Spreading the word is a powerful tool. Talk to your friends, family, and community. Share information about the challenges animals face. Highlight the importance of preserving biodiversity. Encourage responsible actions towards the environment. Support policies that protect natural habitats. Let your voice be heard for those who cannot speak. Our collective understanding can drive significant change. When more people care, more action will follow. Knowledge empowers us to become better stewards of the earth. Though the challenges are great, there is always hope. Nature has an incredible capacity for resilience. When given a chance, ecosystems can recover. Animals can return to restored habitats. Our combined efforts can make a profound difference. By working together, we can protect vulnerable species. We can help ensure that forests regrow and thrive. We can create a world where humans and wildlife coexist. The future of these animals, and indeed our planet, is in our hands. Let us choose a future filled with life and diversity.